Purple Fox malware has been around since 2018 and includes a rootkit and backdoor capabilities. It is used to download other malware strains and typically spread through exploit kits and phishing emails. The malware became significantly more active in May of last year, rising around 600%, with total attacks reaching around 90,000 at this point. A new infection method has been discovered in the past few weeks, leading to high numbers of Purple Fox infections. The malware has evolved to include worm capabilities, which allow it to spread between Windows machines on a network. This makes Purple Fox even more dangerous than attacks in the past, as current attacks can now have a much larger scale. The behavioral heuristic engine in Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud detects the worm and other behaviors of Purple Fox and other malware to stop them before doing any damage to your systems and spreading across your network.